I called the top and I called the bottom, so listen up.
This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, autism, Jesus, caffeine. Listen, this is very important, okay, because I called the top of Turbo. Now, I did clickbait a little bit, say Turbo just died. It didn't die, but it did break structure, but I had to get people's attention. So I'm sorry for clickbaiting in the past. But look, people were clowning, people were laughing because, when I did call it out, it was on this candle, okay? Because I saw a breaker structure, right? And then the next day it was green. And people were laughing, rightfully so if you don't know, about technical analysis. But look, in the end, it did go down and it has been going sideways, and now it will be going up, kaboom, in the very near future. Now, why do I bring this up? Well, why, ladies and gentlemen? Because I'm trying to bring awareness, okay? All right, so I called pretty much the top of Turbo that is reversing, and then I pretty much almost called the bottom. So, and the reason why I'm saying this is not to flex, it's not to be like this, not to be like that. It's to pretty much say technical analysis, right? These charts, these candles, they do not lie, okay? There are certain candles, right, that create very high probability setups. There are certain things that happen on the chart that indicate reversals. And the reason why I'm just saying this is because I want to bring attention, because there will be that day, whether you're in my Discord, whether you're, subscribed to the channel, on my Twitter, or you see a video where I sold everything or certain coins, depending on the structure and what happens, right? There will be a day where I say, I sold everything. Okay? And listen, that day has to come. For us to make money, we have to eventually sell. All right? It's as simple as that. And I know there's going to be a lot of people that don't believe, because confirmation bias is probably the most toxic thing in the markets, okay? When everything is green, we think it's going to be green forever. When everything's red, we think death is upon us, okay? That is just how human psychology works. Fun fact, literally people have bought, Bitcoin was third most overbought at $64,000 last cycle, and it was literally most oversold near the relevant bottoms at around 16,000. So human psychology when it comes to money is not great, guys. It is really, really not great. So I'm just trying to bring awareness, right? I will break down Turbo very quickly, and I will tell you my price prediction. There'll be one more factor that I do believe will actually push Turbo further than what people expect, okay? So listen, in terms of the short term, look, overall, guys, it is fantastic, okay? Where do I think Turbo probably pull back to? Well, it would not surprise me if we pulled back to around pretty much the 45 mark, right? We have a lot of imbalance here. We do have structure over here, right? When we go on the daily, right? Pretty much have something like this where there's lots of relevant support and resistance. So it would not surprise me if we did have a pullback like this, okay? Now, there's also a chance that Turbo does pull back a little bit less, just because of the given context. Now, if that were to happen, for me, would probably just sweep these highs, probably leave some kind of wick, right? Go in, go out, do its thing, go like this, okay? Pretty much. Now, the fun part, right? Because it doesn't really matter about the micro stuff anymore. Okay, the micro stuff is just for extra confirmation. Now, the fun part is, where is Turbo going to go? Well, ladies and gentlemen, based off this, we're pretty much at 380 million market cap, and I do believe we go up to 15 billion. Not only are we a meme coin, but we're also in the AI sector, and AI is super underrated, and I do believe Turbo is going to be the face of the meme coins, or the AI meme coins. So that is a huge, huge thing, ladies and gentlemen, right? That is super, super huge. Okay. Now, let me just break it down one last time for Turbo, right? I do believe Turbo is going to have a double pump, where pretty much we're going to pump once up to around, let's just say, the 2-3 billion market cap area, maybe 4, right? Because our tops were pretty much 700 million. So we're probably like 3 to 5x from there. And then we're probably going to cool off for a couple weeks, and then the actual true altcoin season, when it comes in, we are gonna go nuclear. Okay, I believe pretty much we're gonna have some kind of Doge pattern where we went up, we probably sell off 30 to 50%, and then we go kaboom. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Turbo is gonna go nuclear. I hope you guys are excited because I am. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time.